Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. It's great to see you all here. Welcome, welcome everybody, and thanks for joining me early. Nice to see all the communication and the conversation going on between all the family members. Absolutely wonderful to see that. It really is a community where people can hang out before the show and have a conversation and discuss their stocks and all that great stuff. Absolutely fantastic. So there we go. Really, really great. Sebteen, the king is back. That's very nice thing to say. All right, let's get straight into the trades and welcome everybody here. Fantastic. If you've just tuned in, click subscribe and ring the bell if you're brand new here. And make sure you've rung the bell so you get notified when I go live. Breaking news throughout the day, and smash the like button. Thank you very much indeed. Lovely to see everybody here early, chatting, making friends. We love it. It's really, really great when people come together and share and support each other. And I saw in the conversation that Zach was talking about his fundraiser. If Rob Brennan is here, I'd like to confirm the date for our next fundraiser for Zach. It was donated to him by Rob Brennan, who went silver member. And when you become silver member, then you get this extra perk and benefit. So I'm going to check if Rob Brennan is in and Zach is in, and then we will schedule the event as agreed by you guys. All right, the question is 100%. Wow, you guys are getting more and more confident by the minute, right? I love it. 6 votes, 100% will hit 42 grand today. Blimey. The positive energy, I love it. It's the only way to be. And there we go. So I think it's highly possible today. I'm not at all negative, not at all bearish, never am. Why would I be? Why would I be investing in stocks that I felt were likely to go down? Congratulations on 42,000. You haven't seen anything yet. Thank you very much. Well, we're not quite there at 42,000. I guess we're pretty close. So I've heard Market Profit say today that he feels that, real big pain is coming. And you may be right in time. You may be right. But the way I see it, this is why I'm not buying into the market now. I've already bought in. It's positive in the short term, but hyperinflation is a nasty phenomenon. I totally agree with you. But I still feel these companies will grow into their prices. They have to. There's more people on planet Earth all the time, Companies grow, profits grow. It's how it works, particularly if you are investing in innovative stocks. Anyway, I've been doing more research today with the phenomenon of people and human behavior. It's absolutely incredible today. I am going through hundreds and just skating through of channels on YouTube. And nearly every channel that's talking about money and investment and getting excited is crypto, the crypto field, the crypto world. People are very, very excited, and they're saying Bitcoin's about to break through and it's done all this. Bitcoin doesn't know what is going on. Bitcoin is not a living thing. It's a number on a screen. All there is people buying in stocks, buying in assets and selling them. That's it. That is it. No more, no less. Very simple. A stock price goes up if everyone buys it, regardless of what the company do. You could buy the worst company in the world. If everyone buys it, the stock price goes up. People buy in because they think it's going to go up higher. It doesn't necessarily mean the company's worth that. We all know that. Market Profit would agree with me 100% on that. It's a popularity contest. But overall, at the end of the day, when we have crashes, the resilient companies that are making profits fare better than the ones who are not. And the ones who are scammy stocks or scammy cryptos disappear and go bankrupt. Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, the list goes on. These Amazon, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, these companies make money. These companies aren't going bankrupt, but there are many that will. So today I've been going through the social media and I've been seeing hundreds that I've come across. There's probably tens of thousands of crypto channels hailing that Bitcoin has suddenly broken through and done something amazing, and everyone, it's a miracle. It's like, how has this happened? Why has this happened? It's incredible. And the reason for that is because people on YouTube particularly are very excited because their crypto's gone up. In reality, it's done worse than any of my shares. Ethereum is down 0.72 today. Bitcoin is down 0.35. This is the reality. But yet, everyone's excited that Bitcoin is about to hit 24,000. I don't see anyone excited that Tesla is up 4%. I don't see anyone. I couldn't find a single channel anywhere saying that the S&P is up 1.49. I can see Yahoo Finance and CNN and Fox and the business channels, they're reporting on it. Credible news channels. But I don't see a single YouTube channel saying, hey, you know, S&P 500 is up 1.47. That's more important than any other stock because it's a collective of the top 500 companies. But everybody's all excited about crypto. I do not understand it at all. I do believe crypto is an important asset and I believe it's important to hold. But Amazon is up 11% today, nearly 12%. One of the biggest, best, most powerful companies in the world. That's rock and roll. That's sexy. That's a headline. And no one cares about that. Bitcoin's broken through. Well, while you're celebrating, Amazon in the background is up 12% today. It baffles me beyond comprehension. But, you know, 99% of crypto won't be here in 10 years. Most of it will be gone. Thousands and thousands of different types of assets will all be gone, and we'll probably end up with Ethereum, Bitcoin, BSV, whichever one you like, and a handful of others maybe. That's what I think. It has to happen. It makes common sense. And if you don't believe me, well, I guess time will tell. But I'm extremely confident that that's the fact. That is the case. Study the Japanese asset bubble. It's a great blueprint for what we are about to see. I understand what you're saying there, Market Profit, but the American economy is very different. It's very, very different than the Japanese economy. I know what you're talking about. The bubble which stayed there for years and years and years and years and never recovered. The American economy is very different, as is the British economy. So I don't think that is the case at all. I don't think we're going to follow that same pattern at all. What we're about to see, the Japanese Imperial Palace was worth more than the entire state of California before the bubble popped. I understand what you're saying. I think it's a different set of rules, though, for America. Anything to do with Wall Street or London Stock Exchange? Anything to do with Wall Street or London Stock Exchange? What's up, Paul B? What's up? You are looking for crypto through Gen X eyes. Am I looking through crypto? I am really not. I'm looking at the facts clear as day. You can be the bullish, most incredibly passionate crypto fanatic in the world. And I hold crypto and I'm going to buy a lot more Bitcoin when it crashes. I am. I'm going to buy Ethereum when it crashes. I am. And it's going to happen. But tell me why on YouTube today, thousands of YouTubers are excited because Bitcoin is nearly at 24,000 when it's actually down 0.34, when Amazon doesn't get any attention and it's up at 12%. And Amazon will always be there. Amazon will always make you money. Amazon will never go bankrupt. Amazon serves a purpose. Tell me why that is. Why there's not a single YouTuber who's making a video on Amazon. Shall I tell you why? Because nobody would watch it. No one would care, so no one makes it. I might make one. because I'll be the only one. And it'll be popular. But seriously, no one cares. It's not rock and roll. It's not fashionable. No one cares. If you took away social media tomorrow, I guarantee on my life, crypto would go to zero. If there was nobody talking about it, nobody buying it, no one would know about it, it would go away. I guarantee the same thing would not happen for Amazon and Microsoft and Apple and everything else. That's a fact. That is a fact. We can discuss and argue it all you like, but I honestly believe that is the truth. And making money has been the same since the beginning of time. Build something and they will come. Do it better than anybody else and they will stay. Invest in yourself more than anything else. If you've got money to invest, make yourself the best of yourself before you give anybody, any asset or any crypto or anything at all, any of your money. And when I started investing, I was 16 years of age. I left home at 16. I rented my first house, bought my first house at 19. And I had some bad luck along the way when the crash came across to England and went bankrupt. But I've always been successful because I always invest in myself first. I dig the ditches and build the foundations first, and then worry about the walls, and then, if ever, worry about the roof. I want the foundation strong. I can live through the rain, but I can't live through an earthquake. Because people scam people, the YouTubers are bought in at the lower dip, so they're driving the price up to make more money, and the for it. If you want people to follow on crypto, just ask. There you go. Because people scam people, the YouTubers are bought in at the lower dip, so they are driving the price up to make more money, and the for it. If you want people to follow on crypto, just ask. Thank you, Seb Dean. I appreciate it. I'm twitched. Right. For those of you who are not yet taking part in this, remember one of the great ways to invest in me, which means you, because what I do is for you. If you open a second tab right now and have Twitch running in the background, and right now it's only one of you, only Mike. If everyone else can do it, all the ad revenue and the subscribers, I divvy it up and I give it out as cash prizes. With cash prizes. So I'm going to give you the Twitch link now. Always make a habit of doing it. Be here on YouTube, but have Twitch running on another device in the background, because the more ads I get, and the more subscribers I get for free using your Amazon Prime, the more cash prizes I have to give away to you guys. You could be watching me on YouTube just using Amazon Prime. Amazon are giving you money to give to yourself. All you've got to do is open a tab, and I will split with you what I get and share it as cash prizes. So keep that open. Someone made a comment. Paul just said, Martin, aren't you the same with Virgin? You hold a big position, therefore you pump it. No. And I'll tell you why. First of all, Virgin Galactic has customers. Bitcoin doesn't have customers. It has investors. Speculative gamblers or investors. I'm a speculative gambler, I suppose, on Bitcoin. I guess I am. Doesn't hold really any assets. Not really. What's the assets it holds? Does it? I mean, are you going to tell me that the mining farms are assets? Computers that'll be worth nothing tomorrow because they're X generation. I don't know. I don't see any assets there. Virgin Galactic, on the other hand, is a brand. It's not just Virgin Galactic. I read this afternoon, and here's some breaking news for you. Virgin Galactic, you already know about the family of astronauts, and so on and so forth. I talked about that before. But what they're going to do is, I say we, like I own the company. I guess I do. I own 0.0000001 of a bit of a rocket. what they're going to do, what we're going to do, is build lovely ships which take people into space and then drop them off at different hotels around the world, which will all be Virgin hotels on their Virgin cruises. And what you are building is an ecosystem that makes money with customers who are loyal to a brand. And I feel that is very different. And I feel very differently about Virgin Galactic. And I don't think for a minute that I can pump the stock. I would need 1 million subscribers plus to have any effect whatsoever on this stock. And that time will come. I'm sure I will have 1 million subscribers, and I absolutely will promote a stock. But I will only ever promote a stock where my money is in it and visible to everybody watching, not like some people do, where they'll tell you one thing and do another and dump the stock the moment you buy it. If I believe that Virgin Galactic is great and I should own it and I buy it, you will all see me buy it. We'll all make money and then we'll all exit it at the same time. So I think it's a little bit different than crypto, and the way I would conduct myself, promoting it and pumping it, as you like to refer to. So we need 14 likes, 21 watching. Soren S, thank you very much indeed. Yes, indeed. So subscribe and ring the bell. Let's go through all the stocks today. It's a big day on the markets. Why is it a big day today on the market? Because it's Friday, sell-off Friday. We've had a pump week, but we've not had a dump. If this was not a real beginning of a bull market, we should see everyone dump this afternoon. And it looks to me like FOMO is just starting to kick in, and people feel it's time to enter the market. We are still going up. Volume is still good looking at the stocks, and it looks to me like this is not going to be a dump. In fact, we might see it go up in the after hours, and if that's the case, market profit is right. I think we'll have a bull run until 2023. And then, of course, hey, who knows in the future? But by the time market profit is predicting a crash, the war could be over, inflation could be starting to get under control, and that crash will never occur and will just go up again. So anyway, up, 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 go baby, go. Soren S, all right, let's go on strike. Let's do a 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. Let's get the likes up. We've got 14 likes, 22 watching. We should have at least 22 likes. Here we go. Chicky, chicky. Chicky, chicky, chicky. Chicky, chicky, chicky. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, Blaisty, stand up. Say, please stand up with the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. All right. How many did we get? We got 16. It's moving up. Smash the like button. Come on, people. Got to do some work here. This show is free. All you got to do is watch it. Right, let's turn the timer off. I want to thank everyone for joining me over there on TikTok. How are you all doing? You know what I'm going to do on TikTok right now? I'm going to end it and start it again. Because if you start a show on TikTok, like we did today on YouTube, half an hour early, the algorithm sees that people are leaving and doesn't show anybody. So watch this. It's a little test for you. A little top tip if you're a TikToker. I've been testing it out and watching the analytics. I'm going to end it, restart it, and see how many I get. I've got 2 now. I normally have thousands over the hour. Let's see what happens. See you back in a minute, guys. Right. Okay. There we go. And we'll end that right there. And you watch this. I'm going to do this now. A little test. And I'm also going to rename it. Okay. I'm going to call it Bitcoin. Bitcoin reacts. Because Bitcoin is reacting to the market by doing nothing. But anyway, I'm going to call it Bitcoin Reacts. I'm going to go live, and you watch what happens. I bet I get 300 or 400 people within about 3 minutes. It's called understanding the algorithm, studying your analytics, and then working it in your favor. All right? As long as you stay credible, of course. I'll always tell the truth. But I like to understand the analytics and study it and then play it at its own game. So you watch it now. I bet it will go up to 200 within about 5 minutes. Right, 41,663. I asked everybody today, would I reach 42,000? What do you think today? Do you think I should be buying into the markets right now? Ethereum, this is a worry for me now. Right now, I know Paul B will say it's great. It's up 58% over the last few weeks. I get it, but it's in my opinion detaching a little bit from the general markets. The general markets, the S&P 500 today is up 1.5%, 1.48, and Ethereum is down 1%, and so is Bitcoin, is down 0.5%. So if you look at these two assets right now, they are not going up as quick, and the reason for that, in my humble opinion, and there's nothing humble about me, says Dan Penner, my humble opinion is people haven't got any money. We had a bit of a surge when everybody had that fear of missing out. This is like reading people right now. Okay, you had that little bit of a surge, but people, when the big crash came to England back in, when was it, 2020, I think it was, that's when I went bankrupt and all the theatre shows shut down because no one had any money. People only bought what they knew. The shows like mine were the first to be cut. The West End shows boomed because it was all that was left. Everybody else was finished. People buy what they know when there is fear. When there is FOMO, they get excited, but what do I do with my money? I'm going to buy what I know. At first, you'll buy some speculative stuff. You'll go, I'll buy some Bitcoin because I'll be a millionaire. But very quickly, you run out of money because you haven't got any. You haven't got any. So all of a sudden, retail investors, the people with the least money, run out of money. And that's what's happened right now. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Remember, institutions aren't touching crypto yet. Hardly any institution does it. Institutions are all over the S&P 500. Institutions where the real money is are not touching crypto yet. They will when the regulation comes, but they're not yet. And it looks to me like the retail money has run out. Bitcoin, crypto, it's not doing anything. It's slowed down. Ethereum slowed down. Right? And the proof of the pudding is it took off yesterday, a couple of days ago, with the stock market, but it stalled. Because Enphase Energy, where the institutions is, it's up 4%. What else? I'll pick another institution. I'll pick another brand. Tilray Brands. That's gone up today 6%. Look at that. I'm down. Oh my gosh. I'm only down 3% now. I was down 24%. So that's gained 21% in 24 hours. That tells me people are buying into what they really believe in, not what they're told or what they think is right. And by the way, I was right on TikTok. I got 70 views in seconds. That's how TikTok algorithm works. Another little top tip there. 74 now. Hiya guys, how you doing? I just restarted you and you all came back on again. That was funny. Right, so Tilray Brands, oh, it's gone green. Tilray Brands has gone up 21% in 24 hours. There's money around, but the institutions have got the money on semiconductors. We need it. It makes all the chips. We need it, right? Target, we need everything in Target. We need Walmart. They've all exploded. Stocks are just as much of a gamble as crypto. No, they're not. You can lose your money in both, simple as that. And that's why you research what's good and what's not. Yes, I agree if you buy rubbish stocks, but I only buy the best companies. It's a simple principle of everything, right? Buy the best companies at the best prices. Warren Buffett quoted once, I believe, I want to buy great companies at fair prices. I go one step further than that. I want to buy the best companies at the best prices. And the difference between me and Warren Buffett, because there's only like one or two differences, the difference between me and Warren Buffett is he has shareholders who tell him and demand he makes so much money. He has to please his shareholders. He can't just make a little bit of money and go, that's okay. I can. I can make a little bit of money because all I want to do is make $200,000. He probably wants to make that every second. And if he doesn't, he has to answer to someone. So if you buy the very best companies and refuse to pay more than your minimum price, mathematically, and I'm pretty good at maths. I went all the way university and so on with maths, so I'm pretty good with maths. Statistically, mathematically, if you refuse to pay more money and only pay the lowest price, and once you've paid a lower price, you only then pay another lower price, you will never lose long term. Statistically, mathematically, you can't. Sheer impossible, mathematically. And that's what I'm doing. So, you know, it proves to me that that retail money is running out, because now 5% interest rates of margin has gone up. It's still cheap, extremely cheap. But if you've got your eye up to your eyeballs in credit and you've already been margin called, you can't afford margin now, no matter how cheap it is. So retail money, and it's the retail money that's buying crypto, is stalled. Right now it has. You can see it. There's Bitcoin. It's down. It's down today when everything else is up. Everything decent today. Everything credible. Robinhood, not so great. But all the mega cap companies, the companies with inflation-proof businesses, Amelia Page says the market is down. That's the sort of nonsense you talk. That's the sort of nonsense you get. Look, I've just got a comment here from Facebook. I guarantee you this comment is not Amelia Page and it's not that lady there. I guarantee you any money you like, that lady there is on Facebook, but I guarantee you that's a bot or a scammer. Somebody trying to sell me some Bitcoin. They will message me later on. I bet you any money I get a message from Amelia Page later on saying, buy my Bitcoin. I had over, and I actually wrote it down, I think it was 213, yes, 213 or 214, whatever, over 200. Over 200 messages today on my YouTube channel from people, it's your mum, it's your mum, Ali Tisro. Over 200 people today messaged me on YouTube trying to sell Bitcoin. I ban it all. I banned it all. How many messages did I get from scammers trying to sell me Apple or Microsoft today? How many do you think? Zero. None whatsoever. There you go. Anyway, absolute proof what I'm saying is correct. It's just not popular. That's why I've got 28 people watching me now, and the crypto channels have tens of thousands. It's not popular. People don't want to hear optimism in the market. They want to hear doom and gloom. They don't want to hear steady 20% a year growth. They want to hear, I want to become a millionaire in 5 minutes, and nobody wants to do any work for it. So it's not very popular. But what this channel is solid foundations that cannot be broken and will never go backwards and will grow steadily, continually, with the highest engagement rate, the highest membership rate of any channel in the world. That's what I think. Seb Dean says, I want to hear it. I like Seb Dean. I'm getting to like Seb Dean more and more now, I think. He's a really good bloke. He says nice things. Is that your... who's that lady in that picture, Seb Dean? Who's that lady in that picture? Who's that lady in the picture? I'd like to know. Stop slamming crypto so much then. Why? I'm not slamming crypto, Paul. Just telling the truth. I'm not trying to get crypto fans to watch me or anybody else. I'm just building a foundation of the way I do things. I'm not trying to win a popularity contest. I want people to watch this show and make money consistently, and don't have fear. That's my priority. My priority isn't. Remember I said I want to grow the best YouTube channel in the world, not the biggest. The biggest will become because it's the best. But I'm not concentrating on being the biggest. I'm concentrating on being the best. The biggest is irrelevant. That'll come for free. JH, Warren Buffett hates crypto. Started one fool, buys to sell to another fool to a higher price. Has no utility. Well, you know, I don't go as far as that. I do feel that there is some value in crypto, and I'm going to buy some more at the right price. But it'll only ever be between 2 and 5% of my portfolio. Crypto is more revolutionary than Apple or Amazon. All right? You are entitled to that opinion. I tell you what, as we've got some very passionate people in today, some very passionate crypto guys in today, Ali Tisro, who is very much into XRP, and you've got Paul B, who is very much into Ethereum. Classic, if I'm right. I would like to hear from those guys this afternoon. I've said enough today. I've said enough, and I'm very happy with where my portfolio is going. I've been buying the dips for 6 months. I've been getting more and more into the best companies. I'm very happy where I am. I'd like to hear what they feel about what I've said today. And I won't argue or challenge back in any way, but I would like to hear what they feel about the comment I made of retail money seems today to have dried up, because all the major companies with the institutions is going up, but the retail money, which is what's going into crypto, has stalled. Because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, and we've had one of the best days on the stock market now for months. Why is that? Somebody tell me why that is, and I would like them to answer that. Anyway, market profit. Gamblers have their favourites. Some like slots, some like blackjack. Martyn likes stonks. Martyn likes stonks. Stocks. I think he means stocks. Better than crypto, Paul. Tesla to hit 900 before close. Yes. I told you it would this morning. I said Tesla today would hit $900. I told you yesterday I would reach 40,000. I told you by the bell I would reach 40,000, and I was 7 minutes out. I was 7 minutes out. Do you remember, there's a video on my channel, by the way, if some of you are starting to think I seem to be able to get my predictions pretty close, you might want to look at a video I posted about 6 months ago, and I quoted a price, and I was right to the penny, to the minute. And it was quite a relatively, I don't know, famous video on Reddit. People posted it around, thinking I was like some insider trader. The video is on my channel. Go and have a look. Go through my videos. I forget what it was called now. But I said exactly what the price would be, to the penny, to the second. And it hit it. And a guy who works on the floor of Wall Street, of the stock market, we had a private conversation, and he asked me, he said, how did you know that? What did you do to come up with that? And I said, I didn't do anything. He said, well, how did you know? How can you pick a stock to a price and a time? And you were right to the penny, to the second. No one in the history of the world has ever done that. And I went, I've no idea. I just knew it would. And that's the only answer I have. Anyway, you can go back and look at that video. Yes, you did. Yes, I think Seb Dean, did you see that video? Did you? Did you see it? Was it? It was to the second and to the penny, wasn't it? Yeah, it's pretty crazy. I've never felt like that since. It was a one-off, I think. Anyway, Ethereum has already doubled. Ethereum has doubled in the last few weeks. You're absolutely, you know, I agree with you. I agree with you. Totally. I agree with you. But why isn't it continued? Why is it stalled? Why is it down today when normally Bitcoin and Ethereum follows the S&P 500. Why is that? Tell me why. Apple hasn't doubled. Amazon hasn't doubled. Tesla hasn't doubled. No, you're right. No, you're right. It hasn't. It hasn't. If you look at some other projects, I can name you 3 that today alone that are, oh, by the way, Paul B, just so before you say it, I haven't forgotten your video, your information. I started watching it. I'm going to continue watching it tonight, and then I'm going to comment on it. Okay, I have started watching it. Thank you for your message, Paul. Paul sent me some great information. I am studying it. I'm cross-referencing it, and I started last night, and I'm going to continue tonight. So, Paul B, I just want you to know I am reviewing the information you gave me. Thank you very much. If you look at some other projects, I can name you 3 that today alone that are 60% up today. Not everyone likes Bitcoin. Some alts performing well. That's part of my answer I just gave you. I have that to read and to watch. What trading platform do you use? It's pretty cool. I use Robinhood. By the way, just for interest, today I was in the Bank of America and I was asking about Merrill Lynch investing. And I'm looking at opening a Merrill Lynch account. And I want to see how you guys how it would work for you guys. Yeah, that's all I'm saying at that moment now. I'm just looking into something new for you. Anyway, I want to do more day trading at the same time as long-term investing on a separate account. So I'd like to see what you guys think about it. Anyway, no, I haven't, mate. I was replying to predicting 42,000. Oh, yeah. Okay. It's a need. A rest. If it's doubled, it needs to rest. Ali Tisro. I love Ali Tisro. He comes out with good ones. Ethereum needs to have a rest. You're probably right. Ali Tisro, here he is.
You should definitely join the day trader. Join us. Join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together. And Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
All right. Paul B has just said retail money being spent in rather than Bitcoin. That may be the case. Hey, Patty, what's that? Hey, how you doing? I wish Robinhood was available in the UK. Free trade isn't half as good. No, that's true. And it was supposed to come this year, but it was got delayed. But anyway, let's go back to the main portfolio. I said I could make 42,000 today. 62% of you agree with me. Caden is back. Caden is back today, and Caden is going to be on Sunday our first featured sponsor of our newsletter. We are so proud of the growth of the newsletter for the giveaways. We're increasing the giveaways. We now have 116 readers. 116 readers, and basically what we're doing. And this is a really cool thing. I looked at the ad cost for people. Look, 116 readers. Here it is. Look, 116 verified readers. 147. Some haven't verified it. That's what happens. They don't verify their accounts. If you've just signed up, go and check your inbox for the inbox. It'll be in the junk folder because it uses the word cash prize giveaway. It always does, and you don't see it. Here is the email you're looking for if you want to go and verify it. So what we're doing, we're very excited about this. I'm always trying to find ways to help people and make you money and all the rest of it. So what I've done is 5 cents per reader. You can sponsor the newsletter for your business, whatever it is you want to promote, whatever link you want to put in there, a website, a crypto coin, I don't care, whatever link it is you want to put in there, you can. And Caden Youngquist has bought this Sunday's newsletter. He paid $5. And what we do, you can book it ahead at today's price. So you can work out exactly what it would cost you. It's 116 times 5 cents. So it's about, what, $5.20? Now, if that goes up during the week, and it'll be probably 200 in about a week, you still only pay the price for 116. And then you can book next Sundays. And as it goes up, it gets even better, right? And Caden wants to promote his YouTube channel. And, here's Rob Brennan. I wanted to ask you, Rob, you donated the giveaway. Sorry, you donated a fundraiser for Zach by becoming a silver member. Would you, and Zach here as well, I need both of you to be here. Does it suit you for next Friday? Next Friday, I'd like to do it. And I think what would be most effective when we have the most people in the show is just before the giveaway. So what I'd like to do is at 9 o'clock, which is, as you know, half an hour after the bell goes, as it starts to calm down, just before the giveaway, we switch to the Martyn Lucas music channel. We do 20 minutes. The links on the screen are directly for Zach. They'll go directly to his charity, and it's your gift to him. You became a silver member, so he could have that. If that's okay with you, Rob, start to share it. I'll create a thumbnail. Zach, if you're okay with that, why wouldn't you be? We're going to give you free money. And we will put your link on the screen. We need to find out what that link is. I think Paul B found out a crypto coin that would probably work best for you. So we'll do that. Right. Has Tesla reached 900? I predicted 900 by the time the bell would go. Let's see. We're at 888 right now. We're very close. I didn't really have any kind of feeling on it like I did when I predicted the stock to the minute to the second. It wasn't like that. It's just a basic calculation really of maths, and I think it'll reach. It's not a gut feeling. It's just basic maths. I think it will reach 900. Anyway, let's see if I'm right. Here is Sam. I got your message, Sam. I haven't had a chance to reply to you yet, so I will do so. So there you go. So if anybody wants to book it right now, they want to sponsor next Sunday's newsletter, you can see how much it is. It's 116 times 5 cents, and you can have your website, your YouTube channel, your business, whatever, in the newsletter. Caden has booked this week's, and if the readership goes up throughout the week, you still get it at the price. And all you do is give me a super chat for that amount. Okay? Easy, right? There you go. Nitin Patel, good afternoon, welcome, and thanks for being a subscriber. Thank you very much indeed. Okay. Oh, I forgot, it's Friday, isn't it? It's Friday, we're closing the bell right now. So, we've got to do day trader of the day, and let me give everybody, this is your last chance, isn't it? I forgot. On Sunday, you'll get the newsletter. Caden Youngquist will be in there. James, I will look at that for you. Here is the link to the newsletter. We have 3 competitions running now. There might be another one soon I'm working on. There you go. There is the link. Once you've done it, verify the email. The email you're looking for, it's always in your junk folder. Search for it is the daytrader@martynlucas.com. There we go. All right. JH's piano dance if you hit 42,000. If I hit 42,000. All right. Okay. A piano dance. What do you mean by piano dance, by the way? I never know what you mean by that. On TikTok, we want to have some fun. I'm going to do a song. I've been working on my own song, and I will do it back in the studio at the end of the show, at the end of today's show, if we get 50 shares. See the share button just there? There's a share button just there. See it? If you click on that share button and we get 50 shares, at the end of the show, I will do one of my own songs. I'm working on a new song. I'm also working on the Chiggy Chiggy Pow Pow song, the real Satoshi, and I will do it in my studio right back here if we get 50 shares. All right, so click the share button right just there. You see it? Okay. All right. I thought it was called a piano dance. Oh, your dance. Oh, you mean the Ricky Gervais dance? You mean the silly little dance? I had no idea what you meant. All right. Can anyone let me know, please? We've got day trade of the day. Here we go. I've got $9 to go. I said Tesla will reach 900 as the bell goes. We are $9 to go. I said it yesterday that it would do it today, and I said it today as well. I haven't changed my mind. 800, 900 by the time the bell goes. Oh, the John Cleese dance would be better, Martin. All right. So this is what's happening on the 15th of October in England, in Cornwall. If you Google Hotel Victoria, Newquay, on the 15th of October, the people that backed the campaign were meeting on the beach for a get-together. And in the evening, we're meeting at the Hotel Victoria. If you use my name, Martyn Lucas, the day trader, that will get you a 30% discount on the hotel room, bed and breakfast, if you want to stay over. But we've got Tom is doing the DJ. We've got people coming from all over the world. Alicia and Patricia are coming. We've got friends from Italy, friends from England, friends from Canada, friends from America, and myself and Leah will be there. It'll be hopefully maybe an annual event. I don't know, but it's the first one ever. Obviously, we've only been going a year, but we're going to meet at the Hotel Victoria on October the 15th for a party. And if you didn't back the campaign, if you did back the campaign, it's free for you if you backed it. If you backed the meet and the greet in the afternoon for $50, we're giving you the party in the evening as well for free. If you didn't and you would like to go, it's $50 or £50, whichever, in the super chat, and I will send you a ticket so you can be at the event. And it's a day trader private. I've got a private room just for us, just the day traders. And Alicia and Patricia, you asked the other day about how you get a discount at the hotel. Hotel Victoria, you just call up and say, Martyn Lucas, the day trader. And they will give you a 30% discount. And that's for all my members. Non-members, no. Members, yes. And they know who my members are. So your name's got to be on the list. All right? Okie dokie. What coin are you thinking to transfer? Please say it's nothing but XRP. What coin are you thinking to transfer? We're trying to send Ali Tisro. Maybe you could put an input here. Look at this, guys. I've got 13 minutes to go. And I said at the bell, we would reach $900 for Tesla. We've got $5.50 to go. What about that? Is that good or what? So we want a crypto, ideally for Zach. He's setting up so we can send him for song requests to raise him some money for those children in Uganda to help the people, that help the villagers, and so on and so forth. That's what we're looking to do. So anyway, that's what we're looking to do. Can you send me the discount in the message when you reply to the discount? It's just Martyn Lucas, the day trader. That's all you've got to do. There's nothing to write down, Sam. You don't need a special message hidden in a secret code. It's just Martyn Lucas, the day trader. Call up Hotel Victoria, Newquay, Google it, and when you go to the reception, say that October the 15th for the day trader party, and they will book you in, and you get a 30% discount. Okay? Wonderful stuff. Thank you, Alexander Rickard. All right, we've got $6 to go to hit $900. Not at all. It's for all our members. Another perk of being a member. And we're trying to get air miles. We're trying to get like day traders to have air miles. And discounts across the whole world at every single hotel chain in the world. That day will come, just not yet. All right, 42,897, 100 and there we go. We're very close now. $5 to go. So let's do day trader of the day. And I never heard from Zach. Zach's not here, but I hope that will be okay on Friday. I'm sure Zach will be happy with that. But we need his links. All right, let's run a quick commercial break. Day trader of the day. Here we go. If you've not yet liked the video, please do. Help us grow on YouTube. 895. Very close now. Just as I called it, 42,000 on the dot. Let's have a little look. It's not quite there yet, is it? It's very close. Very, very close. There Anyway. Day trader of the day. So we're going to ring the bell, and if we hit how many likes, shares do we get? Okay, there's the share button. If we get a share button right down here, see it? See the share button? If we get 50 shares in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to end the show and do my own song at the piano here. I've written a new song. I've written a new song. Go to the piano and do it for you. If we hit 50 shares, that's right there. See it? There you go. All right. We are watching very closely to Tesla. Just a few dollars to go now. Right then, go to your main portfolio. Is day trader of the day. I'm up 2.08%. When the first person posts their score, I will. Why not use XRP? Can we use XRP? Can I think Paul B may have already done it, so I don't want to step on Paul B's toes. But I'm hoping that Zach. So if you could speak to Zach Ali on Discord, we want to set up Zach with a crypto wallet which is secure. He was worried things in Africa. He was concerned. He wanted it to be, secure and so on. And so we can all, we can tip him. So anyway, we're working on that. So I appreciate your input. I don't want to step on Paul B's toes if Paul's already done that. I've not seen the message. It was a private message to Zach. All right, let's go. Top 2.08. Let's pick the score up now. Here we go. Neil Carver is down 0.45. How many stocks in your portfolio? Seems huge. How many stocks? It's about 45. I can go through the full list if you want me to. Right, 2.08. I'm still the winner at the moment. Have you got any advances on it? This is my entire portfolio. I'll show you. Here it comes. Are you ready? Scroll down the list. It's about 45 to 50 stocks. Here come my dividend stocks. Money just sits there, doesn't do anything. That's it. That's it. It's about 50. Okay. Seb Dean up around 1.5. Oopsie daisy, let me just scroll that down. That's better. At 1.5. Am I the winner? 2.08. Anybody beat me? Thanks for you're very welcome. If you want me to, I can take a photograph and put it on Discord if you like. Points. Oh, hang on a minute. I've just been smashed. Logic has just come in right at the last second and gone 4.23. Dexter Sickles is up 0.61 and Logic is up 4.23. Okay, let me give you a thank you very much indeed for your honest trades. Appreciate it very much indeed. There you go. Give him a big thumbs up and everybody smash the like button. And sorry, what am I on about? Congratulate Logic. Congratulations. Very, very good indeed. Nice one, mate. All right, we've got just a few minutes to go before the bell goes. In fact, we've got 6 minutes. Oh, hello. I didn't mean to put that on the screen. Get rid of that. Why do we get so much of this stuff? Does anybody know why? Oh my gosh, we're being inundated now. Look at it. Who's doing the good work? Ali Tisro. Thank you, Ali. Thank you. If you can, keep reporting. If you just delete, it comes back. If you report, allegedly, it's like blocking emails. Allegedly, it should get better. Anyway, thank you, my man. You're doing a great job. Thank you. We really appreciate your help. Salah me. You're very, very welcome. It's very, very kind of you. Well, here's something else I'd like to do for you then, as you've been so nice, all right? This channel is all about helping people. I've raised over $1 million for charities. I do cash prizes all the time, all right? Here is the YouTube link, the links in the profile. All my links for all my giveaways are all in the all links button on here. But here is also the channel. That's where I am now. This is where this channel is right now. YouTube.com/thedaytrader1. That's where we are right now. If you want to, you can come into YouTube. I can give you my newsletter. It's the last chance now. It's coming out on Sunday. And on Sunday, the email comes out with 3 links, 3 videos. There are 3 giveaways. I've got next Friday, I'm giving away a cash prize on Twitch. And that is free. Ali Tisra, I don't know if you heard about my Twitch giveaway. Every month, I give away a percentage of my ad revenue and subscribers. And if you've got Amazon Prime and you turn gaming on, Amazon Prime Gaming, and it's free if you've got Amazon Prime, if you subscribe to me on Twitch, it's free, and I give a monthly prize away for free. So I'm inviting you on TikTok. If you come over to YouTube, I'll give you the link. You can read my newsletter, and it tells you how to get free free Twitch subscription, and you will get in a draw for a prize. There are only 7 people who have done it, so it's a very good chance of winning. We do it every month, and every Friday I do a cash prize giveaway. Every Friday I give away money. And on the 4th of August, guys, on the Virgin Galactic earnings, we are giving away in the show our best ever prize, $100 cash prize. It's courtesy of Rob Brennan. He sponsored it. We're giving $100 cash prize away. All right? Very, very exciting. $100 cash prize away. So you can win that. And I will tell you now, it's only about 12 people who have entered to win $100. Because most people can't be bothered. Most people are lazy. Anyway, have a good one, guys. I've got to go to my job as a cook. Hey, we love cooks. We love cooks. What, you should come to our party in England. Bring us a cake. We'd love that. Well, I might let you in for free. $100 equals 3 Ethereum Classics. There you go. I could send you 3 Ethereum Classics if you win, Paul, rather than send you money. I don't mind. The piano dance. We didn't get 50 likes, and we didn't get 50 shares on TikTok, and we didn't get a super chat, so you can't have a piano dance. JH, if you want a piano dance, you've got to give me a super chat or 50 shares on TikTok. The share button's down there. We didn't get it. And one last thing for my friend who became a top, DD Damage. Hello, DD Damage, how are you? One of my top viewers. And one final thing I'm doing now, and I've got to be really quiet about this because it's like it's a secret thing. If you might notice on TikTok, I've got nearly 22,000 followers. I gain about 300 to 500 every day now. And if you want me to make a commercial for you and put your channel on this screen behind me and sit here and say, hey, subscribe to DD Damage, blah, 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 and make a promotional video for you, tag you in it, stick it on the homepage of my TikTok channel, send it to you so you can save it and put it on your channel, and invite all my followers to watch and subscribe to you. I do that for all of my subscribers, and I only ever follow my subscribers. I don't do follow for follow. I only follow my subscribers because I only want to support the people I can spend time on and promote their channel. So if you subscribe to me here, right at the end of the show, within 5 minutes, your video will appear on the homepage of my TikTok channel and sent to you within 5 minutes. All you've got to do is click subscribe, and I do that for you. If you look on my profile, you'll see the other people I've done and how it's helped their channels. Hey Martin, where do you buy crypto? What is the Apple website that you are using to buy crypto? I don't use an Apple website. I use Robinhood. That's the cheapest way to buy crypto. For me. Somebody else might say different, but that's my experience, all right? Okay, we're just falling down on the last seconds now. There's going to be, I think, some buying in the after hours. JH is giving me a super chat. He wants his dance, bless. Oh, look at that. Right. We didn't quite make 42,000, and Tesla touched 893. So I'm still 1 minute to go. Here we go. 1 minute to go. I said on the bell it would go to $900. Let's have a look. Well, this has behaved very differently. We did not have a sell-off Friday, which is good. Very good sign for Monday. People are prepared to leave their money in the markets. We've got 45 seconds to go. Let's go through the hour and see what happens. And JH, I will do your Ricky Gervais dance. We never got the likes, the shares. We didn't get the super chat, but you did give me a $2 one, so I'll do it for you, right? Okay. How can I say no when someone gives me a $2 tip, right? Let's have a look. Okay, we've got 20 seconds to go. Let's ring the bell, folks. Let's ring the bell. Are you ready? Awesome. You're welcome. You're welcome. I've no idea why you want to see it again. Why does everybody want to see my Ricky Gervais dance? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ring the bell. Let's see if we got after hours action. Okay, Bitcoin, here we go, says Paul B. Oh, hello. What's happening with Bitcoin? Let me have a look. Bitcoin. What's going on? What's Bitcoin doing? Look at my comment, Ali Tisro. Ali Tisro, scroll up, scroll up. Sad to see some people that won a membership from me last month haven't kept the bronze membership. That is sad, Ali Tisro. It is. And it was very, very generous of you to do that. And it is sad to see that they didn't. It's very, very kind of you to do that. And yeah, I always hope that they will, because they will learn what benefits they can get. But they didn't. Some of them didn't. Not all. I will tell you that. Not all. All right. I don't see anything, Mr. Paul B, about Bitcoin going on. Let's see if we get the after hours buy-in like I think we're going to get. So we'll give it a couple of minutes. Let's see. In the after hours, the S&P has dropped 0.01. Virgin Galactic in the after hours hasn't moved yet. Virgin Orbit hasn't moved yet. It's a bit slow. Let's have a little look. Rivian, down 0.03. Lucid is up in the after hours. Polestar is down slightly. Yeah, thank you again, Ali Tisro, for doing that. Will the real Satoshi please stand up? Look at my comment. Bitcoin, here we go. Take care, Martin. Everyone have a great weekend. Thank you, Alicia. All right, I think we're going to wrap up. It wasn't quite my prediction. I predicted that Tesla would reach 900. I was, what, $7 out? There you go. Check your, can you check PGY? I made some money off it today and got out at 25 bucks. Of course I can. All my members, I do polls and check the stocks for. PGY. Pagaya Technologies. Let's have a look. Pagaya Technologies, probably Pagaya. There we go. It's up 36% today. You did very, very well with that one. What time did you get out? You got out at $25. Right at the top of the tree, pretty much. What was your buy-in price? Rob, what did you buy in for? Don't say 24. Mind you, if you bought $1 million worth, it doesn't matter, right? What did you buy in for? I'd like to know. $23. Oh, that's all right. It's $2 a share. Knowing you probably spent $10 million. So it's quite good. $2. How many shares did you buy? Go on, I'll ask you. Very good. Congratulations. You made a couple of bucks. It's going down now, so you did the right thing by the looks of things. All right, we're going to end the show there right now. So I want to thank everybody for another great week. We are going to roll the credits and find out who the celebrities of our show was today. I'm going to thank everyone here on TikTok that followed me today. If anybody subscribed to me, I will see your subscription as I end the show. And within 5 minutes, I will make your video, tag you in it, put it on the homepage, and I will make a commercial inviting my 22,000 followers on TikTok to follow and subscribe to you. It's the best way to grow your channel, and I love doing it. I do it for all of my subscribers, and I will follow you back and tag you in my viral videos. It's the way to help my fans who support me give you back what you give to me. It's the best I can do, and I want to do that for all my subscribers. So if you did subscribe, I will do it for you straight after this show. For all of you here on YouTube and Twitch, did anybody else become a subscriber today on Twitch? No, just the 7. Okay, 92 followers now. Thank you so much indeed. If you are on Amazon, go and subscribe. It's free, and you will get the free prize draw once a month. Okay, and the sign-ups for the newsletter, so we're not going to mention it again. It goes out on Sunday. Good luck, everyone. And 116 of you will receive it. Quite a few of you haven't verified. So look out Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, and 2 p.m. GMT for the newsletter. And get involved in all the cash prize draws. Caden Youngquist will be mentioned in the video. And I ask you, I really do ask you very kindly, when you see it, support him, because he's sponsoring the newsletter. $5 was the cost of it this week. It's now 116 times 5 cents. If you want to sponsor it for next Sunday, you can do that. And so just do a super chat for that amount, and you can. And I hope everyone subscribes to him and takes him over 100 subscribers. He started at 50, and we've got him up to 95. So he only needs 5. So on Sunday, about an hour after the newsletter, I'm going to see how Caden has done. Because you always open the email within an hour. And that's the busiest time when people watch the video and enter the competition. Which is great. All right. So where is it CYNY? What's his name? Let me scroll up. Where's he go? JH. Where was I going with that? All right. JH has asked... JH gave me, JH for some reason, JH gave me a super chat for $2, and he went, I want to see the Ricky Gervais dance. No idea why he wants to see this, but he asked for it, so he's going to get it. And then we're going to end the show, and we're going to roll the credits. I need some proper music. If someone can make me some music. Okay, here we go. Boom, chakalaka-laka, boom. It's Ricky Gervais in the house. There we go. There it is. That's all you're getting. No more. No more. Oh, you paid me $2. I can't believe I did it. We're bringing this show down. It's becoming like the loony bin of making money. All right, there we go. Thank you ever so much, everyone. It's time now for someone to tell me to roll the credits. I need my instructions. Great way to finish the week. Thanks all. All right, someone give me roll the credits. I'll remind you Monday to look at NLY. You don't need to. I'll do it right now. I'm waiting for someone to say roll the credits, NLY. You ask me to do something, I do it. Where is it? NLY? Is that what you were looking at? NLY. Let's have a quick look. Roll the credits. Quick. Look out for your newsletter on Monday. It's just falling down now. It's up 1.4. I will do some research and I will look at it over the week. All right? So let me roll those credits quickly. There's your NL. There it is. I'll have a look at it over the week. All right? Roll the credits. Here it comes. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Everybody say wheel. Did I get roll the credits? Yes, I did. Roll the credits. Here it comes. Who was great today? Moderators, Mike, you beat the Restream bot. You beat it, finally. Super chat, JH, the only super chat we got today. JH, thank you so much. Without that $2, I would have earned nothing today. So I appreciate that very much indeed. Thanks for your support. Mike, you beat the Restream bot. That rarely happens. Congratulations. No one ever beats the Restream bot, but you beat the Restream bot. No idea how. Thank you very much for the followers. Thank you for the moderators, Mike. Thank you very much for the super chat, JH. And thank you for the subscribers, Nitin Patel, Alexander Rickard. Look out on Sunday. Get your newsletter. Go and follow Caden, our first sponsor. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.